Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. What's up, my peeps? If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single episode. Alrighty, today we will be making stuffed mushrooms. Very easy. Ground turkey, cream cheese, whatever spices you want, mushrooms of course, and later on I added shredded cheese. Let's get into it. Alrighty, I have my pan pre-warmed. I'm adding some oil so the turkey doesn't stick. I added a cup of ground turkey. You can add Italian sausage, you can do ground beef, whatever your preference is. Make this yours. This is a simple process. We're cooking this turkey all the way through. We're gonna add some garlic powder, we're gonna add some onion powder, and then I added cracked pepper and Himalayan salt. And then you wanna give it a good mix. I temped my meat at 165 just to make sure that it was cooked all the way through. Alrighty, while my turkey meat is cooling down, I'm gonna hollow out these mushrooms. Whatever way is easy for you, go ahead and do it. Just be careful, don't hurt yourself. I actually like the mushrooms from HEB because you can pull the stems right off. Anyway, your mushrooms should look something like this. I'm gonna empty out about a cup of cream cheese. I left it room temperature while I was cooking the turkey. And again, whatever herbs and spices you wanna add, go right ahead. This is parsley flakes, and I'm gonna add some onion powder. Next goes in half a cup of the ground turkey we just cooked. We're gonna mix up this bowl of goodness. Give it a few swirls, and it should look something like this. I got the smallest ice cream scoop I can find. You can use a spoon, and it should look something like this. There we go. We're ready to cook these bad boys up in the air fryer. You can, of course, use an oven. Right here, I forgot to add the cheese. But I'm going to set this at 400 at 9 minutes. I pulled it back out, I added my cheese, and let it cook. Are you ready for the goodness you're about to see? Man, those look good. I can't wait to eat one. Oh yeah, very, very good. I think I need another one just to make sure. Most definitely, those are awesome. They came out great. Well, I hope you liked today's episode. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.